So hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So guys, in this video we are gonna talk about malware analysis. So if you are interested about malware analysis, if you want to do malware analysis, then you are at the right video, because in this video we are gonna talk about how you can set up your own isolated environment, virtualized environment for malware analysis, so that whenever you run any malware or whenever you do any kind of sketchy stuff there, it will not affect your host PC, which is the most important point. And also it might be some people who want to run malware just for fun. You know, some people like to run viruses on their PC. I'm one of them. Like, you know how cool it feels when you know that thing is a virus and you execute it and you want to see what's the impact and you want to be cool in front of your friends. This video can come in handy. The very first thing you need to set up this environment is a virtualization software, because as you all know, you can't run malwares directly on your host PC. We are gonna make a virtualized separate environment for that. So for that we need a hypervisor, which is VMware or VirtualBox. VMware is paid, so you guys can go with VirtualBox. When you type VirtualBox on the Google, then you can see the first link, click on that and Oracle VirtualBox will be there. You have to download the latest version of VirtualBox, click on download and select your operating system. You have Windows, Mac OS, whatever. So yeah, just save the setup and install VirtualBox. Okay guys, so when VirtualBox is installed on your PC, why this error popped up, I don't know. So when VirtualBox is installed on your PC, just open it and you guys will see a very good interface. For new people who install VirtualBox for the first time, it may be some configuration. You just have to keep everything default and you'll be having this window here. So yeah, now we can go ahead and install our operating system. So I think most of you guys will want a Windows operating system to run your malwares there and also scan it, or you know, explore the malwares, see what's happening. So I will go with Windows. I will go with Windows 10 specifically, because I think Windows 10 is more better for my PC. Because guys, if your PC is not a very high-end PC, then you have to go with some operating systems which require less memory and less CPU usage. That's why I will be going with Windows 10. So yeah, to download Windows 10 ISO, just search on Google Windows 10 ISO download and you will see the Microsoft link here. Click on that link. As you can see the download now button, click on that. It will give you a media creation tool. Just save it. When you open the media creation tool, it will ask you for two things. Just accept the agreement and you will see two options. One is upgrade this PC now and second is create an installation media. So we need create the installation media because we need the ISO. Keep this PC settings default because this is the architecture 64-bit edition Windows 10 and English United States will be good for us. So click on next. You can click on ISO file because we don't need to create a bootable pen drive. So you have USB flash drive will be the option if you want to create a bootable pen drive. So but we don't need that. So we will click on ISO file and click on next, and it will ask you for the location where you want the Windows ISO to be. I will select the location and click on save. So it will start creating Windows 10 ISO. You just have to wait, grab a cup of coffee, and we'll see after this is finished. Okay guys, this is my Windows ISO here. As you can see, Windows 10 ISO. So what you have to do, so guys, click on Oracle VirtualBox, open your VirtualBox, and then you will see an icon here named new. Click on that. Then you will name your virtual machine. I will name it Windows 10, or I will make it just a malware. Okay, so after that, select the ISO image, then click on next. Keep everything as it is, click on next again. Now you will see the amount of resources you want to give to your virtual machine, but you can change it later. But for that, for this sake, I can just go with 4 gigs of RAM and 4 cores. So yeah, click on next. 50 GB will be enough, but I will go with 40 GB because I don't have a hard disk of 1 terabyte. I have only 500 gigs, which is already full. So I'll go with that. You can go with 50 GB, which is recommended. You can also increase it as per your requirements. Now click on next and click on finish. Now that's it guys. Now we have to install our Windows 10 ISO. So yeah, your virtual machine will run by default, and then you can just close it and you can just wait as you install a new operating system. Everything is the same. You just have to install operating system here in your virtual machine, which will be not affecting your host, but not until now because we didn't configure anything, right? We didn't configure the network and all of that, which is very important. So yeah, just wait, let the Windows be installed, then we'll see. Okay guys, so the operating system is installed, but right now it's not looking good. So we have to install the guest edition CD image. So just click on that and you will get a pop-up here. If you didn't get a pop-up, just go to this PC and here we go. Just install that to get full screen. Click on yes and install the setup. Next and then install. Okay, after installing this, you have to reboot your PC, which means rebooting your virtual machine, not your PC. So yeah, just reboot it and you'll be good to go because now we have installed the operating system. So yeah, just keep it full screen. Now as you can see, it is full screen. Now we have installed the operating system. The only thing left is the configuration, guys, which is the most important part. So don't skip this. Go to machine, go to settings, and you will see most of the settings here which will be affecting your virtual machine and your host at the same time. So you just have to keep the clipboard disabled and also drag and drop disabled. This will stop sharing of the files and folder between your virtual machine and your PC. As you can see, I can't copy anything from my host to PC, and also this PC to my host. I can't do that. Okay, so you just have to keep both of the options disabled. After that, there's nothing much you can do, and the most important thing to do is with the network. So guys, which is the most safest network for doing your things? It's the NAT network, because the bridge adapter will act like your virtual machine is also another PC sitting in your home. That will be bad for you, because you don't want to be a bridge adapter, because if your virtual machine get hacked, it can also affect your other machines on the same network. So don't use bridge adapter at any cost. But the thing I will tell you, if you want to seriously run some malwares on your virtual machine, then you have to use internal network. Yeah, internal network, guys. Why internal network? It's because, guys, when you are doing malware analysis, you will install Remnux, right? So you want your Remnux machine and your Windows machine on the internal network, which will not have any internet connection, because if you have internet connection, that can be bad for you. So what I will recommend you, if you're just starting, then use not attached. So in this case, you will say that, bro, how we can download the malwares then? Guys, keep your system at NAT, click on OK, download some malwares, but do not execute them. Okay, download your malwares, whatever the thing you want to install, like you have, if you're doing malware analysis on your Windows machine, then you have to install Process Explorer and other sysinternals thing. Download that, configure all of that, and create a snapshot, as you know, so that whenever you installed any type of virus or malware on your machine, you can revert it back to the previous condition by taking snapshots. So snapshots are very important, guys. Just take a snapshot whenever you are done with the basic configuration. So the basic configuration, I've told you, install everything from the internet, keep your internet connection at NAT, download your malwares, download the softwares, download the tools you want. Then when you want to execute the malware, just go to machine and disconnect the adapter. You have to just disable the network adapter, or you can also do not attached. Click on OK. In this case, the network of your machine will be disconnected, and now you can do whatever you want. You are completely isolated from your host machine. But keep in mind, guys, you are never 100% safe when running malwares. Some malwares can be designed which can escape the virtual machines too, but they are too less. So yeah, you are never safe, guys. In terms to technology, you are never safe. I've just gave you the best thing you can do, best configuration that you can do, but always be safe, don't act stupid, and that's it. So guys, I'm also thinking to make another part of this video including Remnux and how to configure Remnux with this machine, and then how to do malware analysis. If you guys want that video, then you just have to comment on this video and also like this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, goodbye.